One way to make the brake spring not so strong on the brake switch on a Model A Ford, it's the one that mounts underneath the car, sort of under the seats. The spring here is way too strong, and it doesn't let the brake light go off when you let up on the pedal. And this is a spring I used. I used 2 of them. That package had 4 of them in it, and I put them in here. Also had to do some soldering. Hopefully that'll stay good, because I didn't have good contact with those little rivets in here. Had a difficult time doing the soldering. But anyway, now I can even work it with my little finger. So, and it does return, of course. I haven't even put any oil on it or anything yet. And then I'll put the top back on it. But that should do the trick, because once it needs to be in, something like that, to have the light go out, and it does come back. So that should, it's another way. There's a number of ways to get it to work. They sell a kit with a spring on it, an external spring to overcome the spring load from that heavy spring. So I don't know why they did that. That is overkill. That's all you need here. You just need enough for it to come back. Probably you could even do less than that. But anyway, that's my little fix. So I'll put this old switch back on, take the new one off. I thought I'd just experiment it. We'll see how that works. Okay, that's it.